Well, I'm on day 2 with my leadership camp here at the Marine base in Barstow. It's been hot. But anyways, I'm gonna take a few minutes to take a break and cool off and open this up. I haven't done an unboxing in a very long time, so I finally got this through the mail and big lob. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Alright, so again, this is number 188 G.I. Joe Brent Hit and Run Scott. This is what he looks like. Pretty cool. Let's get this guy unboxed. I don't have a knife. Oh, brother. I'm away from my environment. I'm in the Marine base here in Barstow. So, I have my razor blade. Oh, that was easy enough. Alright. There we go. Hit and run. The legs are all crooked looking. Straight out of the box. Got very loose joints. Which is good and bad, because eventually they'll get looser. But I like it. It's pretty good. I don't have to put it in hot water. His face paint is all painted all green. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of Incredible Hulk. Incredible Hulk. Even his hands. That's funny. Swivel. Got all the holster here, all his gadgets, harness. So far this is good. I kind of like the build on this figure. I like the feel. Ooh, look at these goggles. Or, is this supposed to be on his helmet? Yeah, it's supposed to be on his helmet. Does it go on like that? Doesn't seem to stay on. There you go. I guess it goes like that. Whew, I am hot. It is hot out here. It's like 91 degrees here in Barstow. I was outside with all my troops, my cadets, and it is hot. So we're inside getting cooled off now. So while I'm getting cooled off, I figured I'd unbox Hit and Run. Comes with this thing, a hook. Ooh, it's actually got ropes. Ooh, nice. That's pretty cool. Does it unravel? Yeah, it does. I'm not gonna unravel it right now though. Got that knife, a machete. Dude, where does this go? Does it go here? No, that can't be. That's for his. Huh. Yeah, I don't know where that would go. But that's what he's got. He's got that. That looks pretty cool. Nice build. It's not rubbery, so that's good. This doesn't go in there, does it? Oh, I guess it does. I figured. For some reason I thought it would be for the machete, but stand up, hit and run. go. Does this come off? No, it doesn't. But that's his firearm. Ooh, the hands are pretty tough. They don't bend very easy. There we go. It comes with this. This is a duffel bag. Does it open? Oh, it does open. Oh, snap. Nice. That's cool. Oh, that's where the machete goes. No, maybe the other way. Here we go. There we go. That's where the machete goes. Machete. And there's his, whatever this thing's called. I don't know what it's called, but I guess he hangs onto this and he slides. Or zip lines, maybe? It's weird not having my razor blade. And then he's got this thing. Not exactly sure what this is. This a knife? Finger knife, you know, like put the finger there and just swivel it like that. I don't know. Not exactly sure what that is. I'll put it right there. So how do we got this guy going? Okay, he's got that. Why do they call him hit and run? I gotta do the research on this guy. Figure out why they call him hit and run. Honestly, I don't think I've ever got this guy when I was younger. So I got to do research on this. Figure out what is his specialty. I kind of wish they had like a file card on these guys. You know how they have on the retro card? They have some kind of file card, but these, they don't have anything. There we go. Hit and run. That's pretty cool. Nope, that wasn't cool at all. There we go. Cool. I like it. Now, I'm all about the G.I. Joe figures that looks military, you know, realistic with the military uniform. That's cool. I'm not too fond of the whole bright colored uniforms that they're starting to come out with. So I'm more than likely not going to get those figures because they kind of look weird to me. And again, that's when I kind of stopped collecting G.I. Joes when I was younger, because they started to look kind of cheesy to me. There you go. Awesome. Well, while I'm away, I brought one of my figures, and I'm gonna have fun taking pictures of this guy out here in the desert. Even though it might not be the type of environment this guy would be in, but I'll still take a picture of him. Alright, that is it. Oh, let me show you guys my room that I'm staying in. I gotta have my Cheez-Its, disinfectant wipes, because, you know, who knows what's out here. But this is the Marine base that I'm staying at. It's the old barracks here in Barstow. And this is what the room came in, or came with. I had to buy me a fan because the first day I was here, it was really hot. The AC wasn't working. It was blowing hot air. So yeah, this is it. Look, that's pretty dirty. this is my view. Barstow, Marine Corps Logistics Base. There's hardly anybody here. This is a pretty sad looking base. What is this? Oh. Yeah, this is how the room came. It's like kind of I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's not my living standards, you know, for the Air Force, but yeah, this is it. All right. Again, we're leaving tomorrow, so we were only here for 3 days, so I'm excited. 2 nights, 3 days. I can't wait to go back to my own bed, because that wasn't comfortable at all. Not at all. All right. I'll see you guys later.